Hey guys, so we at Applied Coatings and Gunworks have been around for many years doing all your coatings. Now we have a manufacturing side called Weatherford Arms. We are building custom rifles to manufacture and sell. We are chambering the barrels, creating custom muzzle brakes, milling out the receivers, and going above and beyond to make sure these rifles will function as accurately as possible. We will have two different types. First, we'll have our MPR, which is a multi-purpose rifle. This will be your standard AR with a standard stock, standard trigger. It'll be less costly, so if you're looking for something fun for the range or looking for something for hunting, it's very accurate but less costly, then this one's for you. Also, we'll have a SPR, which is a special purpose rifle. This rifle is going to have an upgraded trigger, an upgraded stock, and more to make this a great long-range precision rifle. So, first thing we do is all of our machining. We're going to machine the barrels, machine the muzzle brakes, machine the lowers, and do all of the work to the trigger and the upper receivers, truing those as well. And once all the machining is done, we will laser engrave our logo and serial numbers and fire and safe and all that on the handguards, the lowers, the uppers, and all the little miscellaneous pieces. So here's Justin in his trendy eyewear, and he's getting ready to laser some of these parts. Once we finish lasering everything, we will go ahead and sandblast all these parts and get them prepped up for Cerakote. We're going to mix up the Cerakote. We have decided to do gun candy on these, and this takes a black base coat, and then you mix the gun candy powder into a Cerakote clear. This is the Nova. It's a purple chameleon metallic gun candy. Absolutely gorgeous. We did it in the flutes of the barrel, the upper, the lower, and the handguard. This one is the Kraken gun candy, which is a teal chameleon metallic gun candy. And then we also did a carbon gun candy, which is black metallic with ingot gold gun candy accents. These look amazing in the sunlight. And with the chameleon colors, they actually change with the different angles when you look at it in the sun. So we finished these first 3 rifle builds, as well as 2 complete lowers. These were done in graphite black and mil-spec green. All of these builds are complete and ready for purchase. If you're interested, you can contact Rifleman's Outfitter in Gretna, Virginia. They have these actually at their store, and you can look at them in person if you're interested in purchasing. Also, you can contact us if you'd like a complete lower or a custom built rifle in whatever caliber and whatever color that you are interested in.